Hello students, in the previous video of a chapter 1 of history, what, where, how and when, we were discussing about the different sources of past, that is manuscripts, inscriptions and archaeology. So let us recall them once again. Manuscripts were the handwritten books written on palm leaf or on the specially prepared bark of a tree known as birch. Inscriptions were the writings engraved on hard surfaces such as stone or metal. And other than manuscripts and inscriptions, the other source to study historical objects like tools, weapons, pots, ornaments, coins, or other objects which are found through exploration or excavation is archaeology. Okay, now in this picture, you can see the example of inscription. First image is of Kandahar inscription of Ashoka, and the other image is of Iron Pillar of Delhi. And you can easily see that there is an writing engraved on these hard surfaces, right? Now next topic is one past or many past, and as you can see this topic is in the form of question mark. So to answer this question, we can refer to our cover page of history book itself, right? So if you notice that what it is written here, it is written as our past in plural form, right? But why? Because this is to draw our attention to the fact that past can be different for different group of people. Okay, so answer could be many past, since all people communities will have different history, right? Now next topic is what do dates mean. Basically, dates are generally referred as in the form of either BC or in the form of AD, right? So to understand this concept, let us take the help of this image. Before explaining you this image, I would like to recall number line of mathematics. जब आप नंबर लाइन पढ़ते हैं तो उसमें आप क्या देखते हैं, ज़ीरो मिड में होता है एंड ज़ीरो के राइट वाली वैल्यूज़ जो होती हैं वो सब असेंडिंग टू डिसेंडिंग फॉर्म में होती हैं, राइट? एंड इस इमेज में भी देखिए, इसमें एक इमेज शो की हुई है एक बेबी की, एंड दैट बेबी इज़ birth of that baby is Jesus Christ basically. So these BC and AD are divided on the basis of birth of Jesus Christ, right? So after the birth year of Jesus Christ, you can see these numbers are given in the form of ascending to descending order. But before the birth of Jesus Christ, numbers are in the form of descending to ascending order, same as number line, right? So after the birth year of Jesus Christ, the years are represented in the form of AD, and AD's full form is Anno Domini, जिसको हम common era भी बोलते हैं. That is, we also represent AD as CE, that is common era, right? And before the year of birth of Jesus Christ, the years were represented as BC, that is before Christ. And how we take these years in the descending to ascending order, right? And इसको हम और दूसरे नाम से जानते हैं, that is BCE, before common era. So this was it, your chapter is finished, and I hope आप साथ में नोट्स भी बना रहे हैं. एंड जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी बोला था, वीडियो सिर्फ एक बार नहीं देखनी है, वीडियो आपको 2-3 टाइम्स तो देखनी ही है, एंड चैप्टर भी रीड करना है, राइट? तभी आप इजीली रिलेट कर पाओगे. आई होप आपको ये सब समझ में आया होगा अच्छे से. टिल द टाइम, कीप स्माइलिंग.